Hi everyone, I am Aryan Jaguste, and in this video we are going to see about what is AI and robotics, because many of you are getting confused between the terms artificial intelligence and robotics. Are these terms different or else the same? So let's get into the video. Basically, robotics is nothing but the sub branch of artificial intelligence, AI. Okay, and artificial intelligence actually comes from the software side, that can be the machine learning side as well. We call it the programming side or else the software side in broad terms, or else you can relate it to machine learning if you may have heard about it. Machine learning is nothing but about training the data and also applying some deep learning algorithms as well, but we are not looking for the software side much. But artificial intelligence covers a broad perspective. Okay, so where robotics also comes. But why robotics is the sub branch of artificial intelligence, right? Because that is the most important point. See, robotics is nothing but combination of computer engineering, mechanical engineering, and then electronics engineering. But why under artificial intelligence? If we remove the computer engineering side from robotics engineering, then only mechanical and electronics are going to remain, and that is nothing but the mechatronics side. But we are talking about building a robot. Okay, so we need the technology to build the robot, which is nothing but robotics, right? So that should include the computer engineering as well, and which covers the artificial intelligence. See, while creating a robot, the most important point is to mimic human intelligence, right? Because a robot is very different from a machine. Machine doesn't have the kind of intelligence which robot has. Okay, so in order to make this huge difference, we have to add or else mimic human intelligence. So that's why we call it a robot, not a machine. And that's the reason robotics comes under artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence covers a lot more things. Now also many things are coming out in the artificial intelligence side, like the ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok AI, and likewise there are many AI tools. But those are the artificial intelligence things in the terms of software. But when we say about robotics, we can implement artificial intelligence, like you can build a voice assistant robot, or else you can build a robot which is following the reinforcement learning algorithms, means the robot which can take decisions by himself. So we are giving the intelligence to the robot. That's why robotics comes under artificial intelligence. Without it, robot is just a machine. Okay, so I hope this particular point is cleared. Whether you are currently in your school, college, that doesn't matter. This is the only difference that you have to remember, right? So if you are interested for the robotics engineering roadmap and all those things, there is a video on this channel about robotics engineering roadmap. Make sure that you watch that particular video, and we will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together. Bye.